everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Today we're going to be making a Turkish recipe called chicken shish tavuk. This is a very tasty recipe. We are going to be making this indoors. We're going to be grilling this indoors because it's winter outside. If you're doing this in the summer, if you have a grill, go ahead and do it outside. This is a super delicious, low carb, keto friendly, diabetic friendly, gluten-free recipe. I've had a lot of requests to make more healthier recipes, so I'm not gonna stop making other videos, but this is one of the recipes that you can check out. It is super delicious. For all of you that have subscribed, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. For all of you that haven't, please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button, and without further ado, let's get started. For our ingredients, I have here 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that is cubed. It's about 1.5 to 2 inches big. I don't want to touch it right now. I'll show it to you later when I'm mixing it. Now I have here a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. We're gonna do a tablespoon of the sambal, and I have it in a bottle so you can see. If you don't have sambal, you can do any hot sauce, or you could do just cayenne or chili peppers, whatever you like. We're gonna do a tablespoon of fresh ginger and garlic, about a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna do 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt, and we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. I have here a large onion that I have cubed. Now, usually you don't have bell peppers skewered in, but I love to add stuff to the chicken to make it healthy, and we love it at home. So I've decided to add half of an orange bell pepper, half of a yellow bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper, and they're about 1 inch cubed. And then here I have some sticks that I have soaked in water. Beautifully, this is marinated. Okay, all right, now I'm just going to add everything else in there, the peppers and the onions. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate this for at least half an hour. Now I'm not gonna, because I'm stretched for time today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it marinate, but I'm going to skewer it in and then just leave it for marination, because our chicken was pretty dry, so it looks like everything is got stuck on there really well. So basically then you just take your skewer and you just want to skewer it in a chicken piece. I'll do an onion, and then I'll do another chicken, and I'll do a bell pepper, chicken, it doesn't have to be in a certain order. It just, any way you like it, you can do it. And if you have green bell peppers as well, that would be nice to put in also, just to give it that color. And then the last piece here. And then I'm just gonna continue and finish these off, and then we're gonna, after half an hour, we're gonna come back. I'll show you how we're gonna grill these indoors. These are all done. We're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. When we come back, we're gonna grill these. This is an indoor grill that I have. This is my electric grill. I had picked it up from Aldi's, I don't know, about 2 years ago. And so this is really, really nice. It's electric. I can do it on my thing. So it's really, really good. I have here just some oil, just some olive oil that I'm going to be brushing on top. You just want to lightly, you don't need a lot of oil. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that this is really, really, really nice and hot, and I can see a little bit of smoke coming out. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and start putting our chicken right on top of it, and you can hear that sizzle. That's where you know that it's at that perfect temperature. Now if you were doing this outside, you can do them on the metal skewers as well. Okay. What we're gonna do then is we're just gonna take a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna brush it on top, just a little bit, just so that we can make sure that the chicken is gonna stay nice and moist. And also when you turn it, it's not gonna stick on us, okay? Because the temperature is a little bit hotter than usual, because I wanna get those marks on there. I'm gonna let that sit just for a little bit until I can see, lift it a little bit. I got some color on it. Go ahead and brush this side as well. And the breast cooks so quickly that you don't have to worry about it not cooking. It should be perfectly fine. And I've got my grill at about 425 degrees. You can cook restaurant quality food at home. You really can, and you can make it fresh. You can change the taste to where you like, how you like it, and that's why it's really amazing to cook at home. So I can see here that I've been covering it just a little bit because I want the steam to cook the inside of it. And if the ends get really hot, use tongs or something to turn them around. And you just want to keep on doing this until the chicken will look completely white and they will be cooked just like these right here. It took about 7 minutes on each side. And they look beautifully charred. They're completely cooked. I'm gonna turn the grill off at this point, and then go ahead and add them. Now, I wanted to show you here, these are just the vegetables that I have remaining. Don't throw the vegetables out. Put them on a skewer, and they are super delicious because they've got that marination on it. And I can't wait to do a taste test on this. The house smells absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's just get to it right now. Look at these. These look so good. So I'm gonna take one that is not gonna be too hot. Okay, so I'm gonna do one that we previously made. And I'm doing this so you can see how beautifully the chicken is coming apart. You see that? Look at how soft and how this is all white. So this is all cooked. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. The chicken is so soft. It's cooked so well. It's just, look at this. Look at this. Get a close up on this. Look at this. Look at how this is. Look at how it's coming apart from the stick. And when you eat it, it's so nice. It's so soft and it's super, super tender. Look at that. Completely moist inside, completely. So This is a great, I'm sorry, this is so good. This is a great recipe, great video. You can do these, get them out of the sticks. Great lunchbox item, great pita stuffers, great lunch. Can do a salad, put them on a salad if you're on a low or no carb diet, and this would be great. So this is a great gluten-free version as well. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of these low carb recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.